A new story, and the story name is Greedy Motumal. Motumal was a rich man, but he was very greedy. The king has more money than I have. He said, I want to be as rich as the king. Next day, Motumal went to a Sadhu Maharaj. He said, I want to have lots of money. I want to be as rich as the king. The Sadhu smiled. Think well, my son. He said, do you really want money? Do you think it will make you happy? Yes, Maharaj. Motumal said, I shall be very happy then. Very well, said the Sadhu. Take this little bag. When you open it, you will find a silver coin inside. When you take out the coin, another coin will come in its place. You can take out as many coins as you like. When you have enough coins, throw the bag into the river. Motumal thanked the Sadhu and went home. There he opened the bag. He found a silver coin inside. He took it out and found another coin in the bag. He took that out too. He went on taking silver coins out of the bag. Dinner time came, but Motumal did not want to waste time eating. He just swallowed half a roti and went on taking more and more coins from the bag. That night Motumal did not sleep at all. By the morning he had a heap of silver coins, but Motumal did not stop. All the day he kept taking out coins. He did not want to do anything else. He did very little time to eat. He had no time for a bath. He did not want to waste time changing clothes. Soon Motumal was rich as the king, but he looked dirty. His clothes were torn and he had become thin. Then one day he fell ill and died. People went to Motumal's house. Then they felt for him, poor fellow. They said he was richer than the king, but he lived like a beggar. What was the use of all that money? His greed only made him unhappy.